Not a meat, okay. This is pig, okay. Oh, you want to piece? Already recording for the video. Hey, he cheated to me. Nothing. Tip the cucumber.
What tip?
You are tipping the
No.
cucumber.
His mom is my mom, his sister is my
Yeah,
sister,
yeah, yeah.
his girlfriend is my sister.
No.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sendoi Mukbang channel.
마제 하얀면에 아도 그야 하이드리마시
Okay,
아도
I'm still weak it.
아이 콧제 미녀주 하에 콧 왕항부터 콧 자얌 야오거나 거나 이 마카 탐저게 아도 ngasigize akoije challenge ma cham tawi tawnewa ok su yawre thabi su yawre latest adum yawre ko ngasije ok tawjen tawre aduga challenge amaga half sir akoi ngas chak cha bi to ko adum akoi di wa ngang indana adu sendoi mukbang haibu mina kasu mal roiba wathi mukbang na ola jira khalline ba ado
Wathi chaba nganare yam thi nganare wathi di.
wathi ba ngange ba
Amaje thi kami thi se ra ki.
Comment the tin chai rakhi ba dagi ko ma cookie ma le na haibi rakhe ba je makha de to alam yo
Ma bu cookie bo.
Mayam ay gyan tare.
makha de to alam ni ko comment jida mangon de tin chai rak pa do se ngasigi challenge se akhoi chak cha bi da waju ngang bani na manipur lon je ngang mu chunga ya tre ba english ta tum lon do ne ba akhoi som english tam gre ba
Why you are thinking it?
yare horror je ko
English nga ba minimum chak sa level ngane.
yeah yare
So
One.
Manipur ngang ba dai ba.
hoi chumme eju ka 1 2 3 start
Let's eat.
Let's get started.
I'm eating faster and faster. Something missing.
wow
Gravy missing.
yeah
Something missing. Go and take. Go.
go
Without gravy
take.
we are eating.
Why? Go.
No.
Go.
No.
You go.
No.
You not eating this skin. Am I right?
I don't
Go
eat
and
capsule.
take.
I don't eat capsule, so I don't care about it.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. Take this.
Very beautiful mukbang. This skin.
I don't eat that.
Very.
Interesting.
What I'm saying.
Nah.
This skin is very big. I'll eat.
The lettuce
Nice.
and
Take this. I'll give this.
here. This for everyone.
Awesome. Very tasty. Oh, why you not speaking English? Speak to
Your English is very handsome.
Huh?
Don't make me laugh.
What are you saying?
Wait. Don't touch the matong.
Plenty of matong here are there.
No, I want that matong.
Look,
This
guys.
No, you can't.
I want
bro.
that.
Look, guys. This pig
Big pet.
piece.
Big
piece.
pet piece.
I'm burning here. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's I'll look.
So salty.
My English is very dangerous. I'll eat this. I don't know how to eat. My rice is.
So padak. I would do.
Our English is so suffocating.
Rice is not.
We are not having gravy, so he wants to say it.
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean by
I'm saying, saying it's very tasty.
Very tasty. Laura. Laura is not Manipuri, so it's Hindi.
Can we speak even Hindi, okay?
Guys, very nice. Nice to meet you.
Eat this pet. I don't eat pet.
What the unnecessary eating?
You shut up. Just eat.
Always you giving caption. Am I right? This is
Yeah.
skin of the pig. I'll eat. Very dirty eating.
What?
Dirty
How?
eating.
How?
This is very nice.
Always giving
Wow,
this
so
skin.
English.
Very tasty. I'll eating my lid.
Broken English.
No, not a broken English. Bender English.
Real English.
What? Why are you eating my meat?
What?
Why are you eating my meat?
What? Meat?
M-E-A-T meat.
Not a meat, okay. This is pig, okay.
Don't ever take my meat. Or else I'll drink this water.
Wow. Always eating. Not. He's
Not
not.
saying anything.
Yeah.
You go.
Speak to
Go
me.
away.
Speak to me. Speak to me. Why are you always eating and silent eating? Speak.
Eating is more important than speaking.
What?
Eating is more important than speaking.
Huh?
Ah.
For you.
Laughing also speaking English.
Oh.
Hi,
Okay, I know.
okay.
Ha ha.
Ah.
Hi, ha ha.
Mm.
Hi, hu hu. Hi,
They are so
he he.
Who is it? I don't want this lettuce. Here, take this.
Because
I'm not a big fan of it.
this lettuce is very
It's lettuce, not lactose, bro.
lettuce.
Yeah,
Oh,
not lactose.
lettuce.
Yeah.
He is saying this is lettuce. This is not lettuce, okay? This is lactose. Taton is saying lactose. But I'm saying lettuce. He is saying lettuce.
When? The dog is barking so much.
Take this. I'll give you. Eat and show them. Show.
And like and
I
subscribe.
don't know.
Eat the cucumber too. The pork is so salty. This is called pork, not pig. The pig is the living one.
Pork
You know
is
na.
die one.
Yeah, the pork
Oh.
is the chopped one.
Pork is die. Ooh. What name is this?
Chopped cucumber.
He is dying. My sister is
That's
cutting.
why. That's why I'm saying chopped cucumber.
Nice.
Cucumber.
Always eating nothing, saying and silent eating.
Don't even dare to eat. Don't you dare. Don't eat if you don't want to talk. Go. Shoo.
My teammate English is very dangerous.
We are studying in English school, so we graduate from. No. We don't graduate yet. We pass out from English school.
Yeah, it's a regular English school. Don't judge it. Number one, very dangerous school.
No, I'm not in regular.
Johnston.
Yeah.
Can I hide this piece?
Yes.
Can I hide this piece?
Huh?
What are you saying?
This piece.
What
Saying.
speech?
I don't know.
Piece.
This. Oh, you want to piece?
Don't piss in the banana leaf.
Where is banana? I'm not seeing banana. Nobody, nothing.
No. It's 1 minute. Drop this. Drop
You
this.
can't eat it, bro. You
No
are
way.
speaking Manipur.
I mean, nothing means in Manipuri, nothing language.
Yellow bhai, khao na.
Ah, ले लो ना भाई. I want to drink water.
Not.
No, even water you can drink.
It's drink, not drink. So English
My
now.
grandma is into automatically though.
What? What is intro
He
tropically?
also is speaking Manipuri. No, you also not eating a lot. You also not eating a lot.
Why? I can't speak, bro.
You speak already.
Don't.
What did I speak?
Already recording for the video. Hey, he cheated to me. Nothing.
Ayo, hale. Yeah. Oh, what the hell?
Wow.
My throat. I'm in my throat.
My time is out. You.
I want to drink water.
No.
I'm not. I'm so.
No.
My throat is so.
No.
Bruh.
What do you want?
10, 9.
Huh? Not allowed for. You don't count the time. Oh God. Go back 10 minutes.
What the hell?
Our English is so OP.
I don't want this skin. Not allowed. Don't eat. Don't tip the.
What don't it?
Cucumber.
Oh, don't tip the cucumber.
What tip?
You are tipping the
No,
cucumber and eating,
I don't tip it.
hiding and eating.
What is tip? What is tip?
Do you know daku?
It's still, bro. Still.
What is the meaning of still?
Time up.
I know you are playing king and tip.
Huh? King and tip.
Shut up and eat. Where's the meat? Okay, there you are. I don't eat.
What
food,
kind
so-
of style eating is that?
I don't care.
Huh?
Do
What?
you think I care? Huh?
What
Only
kind
the capsule apply.
what kind of eating style is that?
And the meat are gone. कहाँ पर है?
Do you think that I care? Huh?
I doesn't care you what you're speaking though.
Drop it! Drop it!
I will not eat, bro. Just keep it. I will. I'm not gonna eat.
Just drop it.
You are. Why are you?
You are not a perfect person.
For the eating. What? I'm not. I'm not taking your muscle. I like this.
You are not a perfect person.
Don't look like that. Today mukbang is very dangerous, okay? Because
Guys, don't feel disgusted. We are already...
this man is taking their muscle and I will take the muscle and I am eating for the lettuce and like this and eating. Very
Just
tasty.
eat and speak properly. You ungrateful bastard.
You know the comment is giving my bad comment
Do you think I care?
because I'm eating muscle and I will say thank you, bro.
He's so sad.
Why?
Look, for
You guys are stealing my.
Yeah. What the hell?
Sorry, bro. Next time I will not take the. I hate my friend.
People will be disgusted by our eating. So we are friends and we don't care about anything. We eat in the same place. No, same plate. We eat no. So,
I don't
his
know.
girlfriend is my girlfriend.
No, allowed. That rule is
Outdated.
yeah. No.
His mom is my mom. His sister is my
Yeah,
sister.
yeah.
His girlfriend is my sister.
No.
Girlfriend.
Don't say that word. My friend is sad because I'll tip the muscle.
Just stay still.
No, still. And he is angry.
I'm done eating.
No speaking English
No,
and
I finish
always silent eating.
Me
Why?
too.
Why is he doing like that?
You, me three.
Why are you doing like that?
I hate it. I hate speaking in the middle of the lunch.
What? What middle of the lunch?
Middle is me. Like me. Middle
Why are you so talkative?
because I love bad comment.
This person is like a dog now.
Yeah.
He's
I
always
always
barking.
Yeah.
I love bad comments. Always love me because he always anybody's giving bad comment for me. He's
Yes.
my friend.
He is like a cookie. So
No, I'm not a cookie. I'm a Gokul. Gokul cái cu nó khơi lấy nó phân gì cơ. say to comment, I'm Gokul or what? Bonnie or
Don't
Gokul?
sing. It's copyright.
Hmm.
If this video get copyright, I'll kill
I
you
wanna
myself.
fuck up you.
I'll kill you myself.
I'm saying I'm Gokul. And why?
You're singing.
Oh,
If this video gets copyright, I'm gonna murder you.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna fuck up you.
Singing also copyright coming.
Yeah,
Why?
just it.
Why?
I'm full.
Why Dada? Why?
I'm done.
Wow.
I'm done eating. Just it, nah.
All the capsule is hiding there. Why are you hiding?
If you don't eat, your crush will.
Everybody,
I don't have a crush.
guys, look. You too, look the camera. Guys, you are not gay. Give me 20 rupees.
If you are not a gay citizen, send me 20 rupees.
Huh?
Here is our QR code.
Huh?
Send me 20 rupees. If you let me, give me 30 rupees. If you don't let me, give me 30 rupees.
If you love this guy, you're gay.
Gay.
Wow.
Gay. Why are you gay?
What about girls love me?
He's gay. He's gay.
What? Boys love gay because love girls me. What do you say?
Just eat and let's end. I'm tired of your shit, bro.
Sorry guys. I love English.
He's talking a nonsense.
Sorry guys, I love English because you love me.
I love my India.
Talk with it. Barking like a dog. Bow.
Are you a dog? You are doing like a bow. I think you are a dog.
Just eat, bro. I want to go home.
Go now.
Are you sure?
You can go.
Okay.
Clean the rice down.
No.
The you and me eating and rice. The tea is down and pick up them banana leaves and go with.
Look. He's typing to someone else. I think you got a girlfriend, bro. Bro, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Are you sure?
Your girlfriend is texting at me.
What? My girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who?
Tarupi.
Yeah, my Tarubi.
Tarubi.
God.
People will feel disgusted by your behavior.
I love my attitude because my mother is giving to attitude, nonsense attitude. Because I love my friend and my mother and my family. I love eating also. and this also giving bad comments.
When did I give bad comments? Just tell me.
You are saying I'm nonsense.
When?
Huh?
When?
What?
When?
When?
When did I say it?
You.
When?
You and you
Give
and
me the
it.
exact proper time.
Huh? Nobody not give I don't know how what do I say?
Oh my god, English?
Oh my god, English. You are not a perfect person.
To like that he is giving also bad comment.
Tell me the exact time.
Let me see the time.
Don't touch my phone, bro.
Mm.
It's iPhone.
Guys, I'm sorry.
Sorry guys, I don't have iPhone. I have Oppo.
My mobile is iPhone. iPhone means I means me. Phone means that camera will be focusing on me. This is camera. DSLR.
So guys, he's been talking nonsense from the start, so we're gonna end this.
No, I'm eating. The time is not finish.
It's going to be 30 minutes, bro. Yeah, it's going to 30 minutes.
So what?
Just end it, bro.
So guys, he's talking nonsense and he's not eating all this meat, so we're gonna end this. We can't eat anymore. So don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hi guys. Today is my day for the eating. My friend is bad because all these two friends also bad comment, and you also
Don't use that hand, bro.
no you also giving bad comment. I love you. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Don't miss.
So guys, please don't feel disgusted.
I'm just joking, okay, bro. Don't angry with me.
Don't feel
I'm-
disgusted by
I'm-
our eating style. So
I'm funny
we're
guy.
sorry.
I'm funny guy.
We're English ka to. Ako ngasai chaagre bayabdo bayab haidi hangwambasu yaba ngasai akoi khutauba yabna do khangde do
Mam sang ko phagi dau ne ko na tanga phagi dau ne ko English hai thu ya ba ne ko ida iman na ji English ka lo hai ba idi English hai je hamda mo hai thu yam ja ba ai du lon ma ne hamda mo ha pa yam cha do ngam ne ka da ba mo English da ga ai ju to ya pak pa ne pak te
no ma'am ngasigidi matang se losilage pungsu yore
Aku English started.
ado ai lai ne like subscribe di miss to ko thu ya de hek to ma ba hek tom da ba ai la khalam ai la khane
Aku subscribe พักกี่ให้อยู่บ่ก่อนรู้ก็กันเนี่ยค่อยผมอ่ะ
ai dio re
yore kayo zamate la ba
ma ko kani
ma ko kani
ya de na phara ka kani khana chugo choi de bane
พักกี่อยู่บ่ก็
5k owaga ma ka kani ko
a ko je 1k bu chu ja tin no bane ka pui de ne ta ta oxilo
5k owaga mai maru ko kani 10k owaga ndana magi ka kani
no ai ya
100k
de
or kandana ai ka kani
khadak tai jo ba ja si phatam ne ma na bo phatam ne hok je am phatam ne je seng dam ne ya le
so
ma'am
ngasigidi
mam lo sin ja de goodbye